Hello, hello. We are going to get started with 15 minutes focusing on just our lower body, mostly inner and outer thighs, as well as a little bit of glute work. I'll be using one 5-pound weight, but if you don't have weights, you can do all of this without, or if you want to level it up a little more intense, you can grab that second dumbbell and do both weights. We're going to go ahead and get started with our feet nice and wide. Turn your toes out slightly and then bring your weight into your chest with your elbows wide. Push those palms in and then sink nice and low. Heavy tailbone, shoulders down. You just go down an inch, you lift up an inch. So we're moving nice and tiny, nice and tight, mostly focusing on our inner and our outer thighs to get us starting. Down and up. We lower, we squeeze. You have 2 more here. And then we're gonna take just a little pulse down at the bottom, little pulse, little pulse. So try not to let your knees fold inward. I want you to think of pushing back into your outer thighs, feeling that press. We're here, just 4. Keep breathing, 3. We've got 2 more. Now hold it low. You're gonna rotate as you stay low. This left knee comes in and comes parallel for 2 counts, and then you press it open. Press the heel down. So you lift the heel and rotate. You press it open. Breathe. In for 2. And press for 2. Sink it low. Oh yeah. Press that outer thigh back. So it's inner thighs draw together. And then press, 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 press. 3 more here. Keep your shoulders down. Keep your core engaged. And push one more time, stay low, breathe. Now hold this one in the center, drop that weight down, just curl. Sink low, squeeze the inner thighs, low and lift. Feeling your proud posture, shoulders are right over our hips. Keep breathing, last 2. So good, last one, hold it up. Take those elbows wide, sink it low, 1 inch, go down. Lift up, little drop, little lift. Back in that 1 inch war zone, sinking into those inner thighs. Just 4 more. We have 3. Last 2. Good. Hold it low and pulse. Down, down. Really feel those inner thighs like you've got like an anchor on your tailbone. It's pulling you down and trying to hold you there. Just 4. Keep breathing, 3. So good, here's 2. Hold it low, rotate the right knee in, lift the heel. Press open for 2. Rotate, press open, good. Squeeze and press those outer thighs. Inner thighs draw in, stabilize through that front leg. 4 more, breathe in. Exhale, press open. Here's our 3. Stay low. Let it start to shake. Last 2. And press. Last one, let's go. In. Now hold it center. We drop, we lift. Send that weight up and overhead. Feel the length at the top. Down, press. We have 4. So good, here's 3. Last 2 and 1. So good, you guys. Shake out those inner thighs. We are gonna head into our next section. Right foot is forward, left foot is back, parallel through your hips. Bend both of your knees. Your knees are right over your ankles. Bring that weight at your chest again with your elbows wide, heavy tailbone. Pull your abs in, 2 pulses, down, hold it down, twist to your right, bring it back to center. We pulse, we twist, return. Sink low, sink, hold, twist. Yes, a little bit of oblique work here, but we're really focusing on that back leg. For me, it's my left leg, and it's already starting to shake. Yes, low, low, twist, return, sink, sink, oh yeah, twist, return. Here's your 3 more. Twist, low, lift. 2 more, oh yes. Last one, 2 pulses, down, down, twist. Now come to the center, drop your elbows, sink down an inch, sink up an inch. So focus on pushing into the ball of your left foot, sinking down an inch, up an inch. We have 4 more. Let it burn. Here's 3. Let it shake. Last 2. On 1, take your pulse. Let's drop, drop. Push that heel high, sink low, just 4, 3, 2. You're gonna hold low for 4, 3, 2, and 1. Shake it out. Whew. All right, second side, we're gonna get right into it. This time bring your left foot forward. Your right foot goes back. Parallel through your hips, bend both knees. Your knees are right over your ankles. Bring that weight back to your chest, elbows wide, abs are tight. 2 pulses, down, twist to the back. Twist, center, pulse, pulse. And now I want you again to focus on that back leg. Really push the ball of your foot into the floor as you pulse. Down, down, little twist. Keep your shoulders down. Pulse, pulse, twist, and center. 4 more. Sink it low. Exhale. So good. Here's 3. Twist back. Last 2. Sink low. Oh my goodness. Stay tight. Last 1. We did it. Hold it back to the center. Drop your elbows. We drop an inch. Lift an inch. Down. Up. Lower. And press. Push your weight back. We're here. Just 4. Lift. Are your abs in? Mine weren't. Okay, let's take that little pulse right here. Just 8, 6, we got this. Last 4, we have 3. We hold it low. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Woo, shake it out. All right, surprise, we're gonna do all of that again from the very top. So we're gonna take those feet back nice and wide. If you need water, grab it. I want you to bring that weight back at your chest. Your elbows come wide. We bend our knees. Heavy tailbone, down an inch, up an inch. Now, this is our second set, so we know what's coming. So I want you to tell yourself, I'm gonna make this one better than the first. I'm gonna go a little lower and push myself a little bit harder. We're in it together. Let's take that pulse right here. Take it 8. Here's 6. Push that weight or the palms for 3, for 2. Hold low. Rotate left knee in. Press out for 2. Rotate for 2. Press out for 2. Stay low here. We like to lift it, but we're gonna stay nice and grounded. Rotate and press. Halfway there. Here's your 4. So good. Inner thigh squeeze. Outer thigh press. Last 2. Squeeze it in. Press it out. Last one, your lowest. Down, down, press. Hold here. Drop that weight. Lower, curl. Lower, curl. Feel the length at the top. A little stretch through the thighs. We have 4. Second side in 3. Last 2. Hold it up, elbows wide, sink it low, drop it down 1 inch. We lower, down, lift, oh yeah, down and up. Can you push your heels deeper into the ground? Feel the rotation in your thighs. Rotate, down, rotate. Last 3, 2. Now take that pulse, just 8, take it 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, we hold it low. Right knee rotates in. Square the hips. Press. Rotate. Push it open. So good. Squeeze it in. Push it out. Inhale. And exhale. You got it. Halfway there. 4 more. Big press. Here's 3. Big press. Last 2. In. And out. Stay low. Last one. Hold it center. Elbows drop. Take it down. lift. Yes, reach for the stars. Shoulders stay down. We've got it. Last 4. We're close. Last 3. Here's your 2 and 1. Woo! All right, y'all. Pushing into our second set. Here we go. Right foot is forward, left foot is back. Pop that heel high. Weight at your chest. Bend your knees. And then pull your abs in. Those 2 pulses. And then we twist. So we sink, pulse, hold, twist, center. Pulse, hold, twist, center. We're down for 2. Rotate, return. We're down. Push into the ball of that foot. Stay low. 4 more. Twist. Shoulders down. 3. Are your abs in? Yes. Last 2. I answered my own question. Last 1. Down, down. Hold it here. Elbows down, lower down. Lift an inch. Oh yeah. Can you go a little bit lower and then work from there to finish? Down, press. We have 4 more. We have 3. We made it. 2. You have 8 pulses right here. Let's go. Here's 8, 7, 6. Drop it low. 4, 3. Now hold it low for me. Freeze. Just 4, 3, 2, and 1. It burns. Shake it out, you guys. Whew. We got our second and final set. Left foot forward, right foot back, heel is high, elbows wide, sink it low, abs tight, 2 pulses. We drop, drop, twist, back, return, drop, drop, twist. Push into the ball of that foot. Final chance to work the back of your leg, down and twist. Sink low, hold, twist. We're here for 3. Are your abs in? Are your shoulders down? Yes. Okay, last set. Now hold this one center. Drop your elbows down an inch. Little drop, little lift, little drop. Finish line, let's go. Sink, squeeze, sink, squeeze. Just 4. Squeeze it in. Heavy tailbone. Last 2. Finish with your pulse. Here's 8, 6. We've got it. Final 4, 3. You know what to do. Hold it low. Just freeze for 4, 3, 2, and 1. Breathe. All right, you guys, I'm gonna finish you off with just a little bit of booty work. So I want you to bring your feet slightly wider than your hips. They can turn out just ever so slightly, and then bring that weight back at your chest. You're gonna begin by sinking back, 2 counts, lift, 2 counts. Push into your heels. We're firing into our glutes and our outer thighs. We lift, sink low, low, squeeze, lift, down, and press. Give me 2 more. Press it back. Lift it up. On this next one, I want you to hold it at the bottom. Pull your abs in, 1 inch, down, little press lift. Down, press lift. Push into those heels. Zip up your core. Push your shoulders away from your ears. Lift, drop, lift. We have 2. So good. Let's take that tiny pulse. Down, down. Can you think of tapping your booty to a little chair behind you? Little tap, just 4. Press 3. We have 2. Back to our 2 counts. Take it all the way up right here. Lift up, 2, lower down, 2. We're gonna do it all one more time. Lift, lower, drop. Lift, squeeze, lower, drop. Lift, squeeze, lower, drop. 2 more times. Up, down. Last one. We're gonna hold it low. 1 inch. Down, up, lower, squeeze. Take it at your tempo. Final push. We finish with a bang. 2 more. down. Let's pulse low to finish. Down, down, push under your heels. Sink a little lower, pull your abs in, press, press. We got it. Last 8, last 6. Here's your 4, your 3, 2, and 1. Stretch it up. Whew. Yes, roll your shoulders back. We freaking did it. If you liked this video, leave a comment below and let me know your favorite parts. And again, subscribe to my channel and we have more fun to come. We'll see you next time.